We're at YouTube. CJ back with another video. You know, 4th of July and stuff. Doing fireworks and stuff. See?
What's that? I saw that.
Gang, gang. Yeah. We're out here. Hold on.
That was Jason. Jason.
Hey, that's what Jason. Say hello, Jason. This nigga crazy, man. He crazy. Oh, come on. Little nigga, blood gang, clan gang, shit. Well, fuck nigga out here, nigga.
Mommy, look, Jason.
We out here, bro.
Are you calling Jason?
No. We out here, bro. You out here, bro? Oh, I gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for this stuff.
Hey. Let's
We're
run.
going live out here, bro. See. Dang, how long we gotta wait for this thing to inspire? There's people out here riding 4-wheelers. Go to them. Look at this guy. It's YouTube. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi. Yoy.
Say what up. What up? Say your name.
Donovan. My name is Donovan.
Yeah.
What's your name, kids?
What's your name out there?
Chris.
Yeah, we got a boy right there.
Sean over there. Yeah. Yeah, and he's crazy. And the guy's like, yeah. Hi, you.
Hold on. We out here doing fireworks stuff.
Yeah.
Really?
We doing fireworks. Yeah, we're doing fireworks that way. So chit chat.
For y'all out there, happy.
Yeah, in the chit chat, we are going to do a nerd battle
Alright, come on.
with a little chit chat.
Come on. Alright. So
We go do a little
go
chit
over
chat.
there, boy. Alright, I'm gonna say happy 4th of July for all my fans out there. Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna say 4th of July for my all friends over there.
You see? I told y'all it's 4th of July. I told y'all.
Yeah,
Hold on.
but you don't.
Come on. What? Let me see your name. Snapchat? No, bro. Two. Get it. I'm about to look from right there. Hold on, y'all. We're looking at some other people doing fireworks. Let's see. Oh, shit. Run. It's a whole butt. Huh? Hey, can I have it? They doing it in front of the. They doing it in front of the house.
No, Sherlock. We didn't know that. We were just looking at that.
I'm about to look and see
Get
if.
your butt back over here.
Can I pick another one?
I mean, I ain't got it.
Where's the pink ones in here? The other one. Those been used. I'm trying to get these. Let me see.
I don't know what the heck this is.
Okay, so
when
first
I
of all,
can do one.
I don't know what this is.
hold on. I know what these are, cause we've done these before.
Who did that?
That time we went to Auntie Fifi's house for the 4th of July.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we did. I need you to stand up there.
Oh, you have to do it right here. You better go out there.
Y'all in this together.
George, you to go out there. Sean, don't be doing all this.
Hold on, y'all. How you do it? How you be doing it? I need to light it, yo. We'll light it at, bro.
Yeah, we on ladder, bro. Yeah.
We ain't on ladder, bro.
Yeah, ladder.
We gotta go to Detroit, yo.
Yeah, we're going to the joint, y'all.
Yeah, we going to the mont, yo. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Push and move. You gotta hold that in the air. Like,
Oh, can I do it?
you gotta hold it up like that.
I want to do it.
You gotta hold it like
Hold it like this.
Oh, it says not to hold it. Don't do the rest of them.
Hold it like this.
No, no more than Sean.
Let's go back inside.
You done.
No more. So like. And you quit.
All you gotta do is left.
That was
Not really doing it. I'm about to end this YouTube video. I hope y'all didn't. Hope y'all. No, I have to hurry up. Bye, y'all.